Hey, in this video, I'll show you how I fix not receiving or not loading new mail in the Gmail app on any iPhone and on any Android device. Actually, a simple tutorial. So before we start, just give the video a like for the algorithm, subscribe if you're new. We just hit 14K subscribers. That's great. Like it really helps out. So what you want to do is just open up the Gmail app. And if you're not getting your email, you want to swipe up. This is the easiest way, easiest fix. It actually helps a lot of people out. So do that, and this will basically refresh Gmail. If that doesn't work, what you want to do is just close the Gmail app and just open it up again by just finding it, right? Open it up, and hopefully that fixes it. If none of that works, what you want to do is click on the three dashes at the top left corner and go down to settings, select the Gmail account that you want to use, and from there go down to sync. Here it is, sync settings and days of emails to sync. You want to make sure that you're syncing up to the date that you are interested in. If you're searching for an older email, you can find it. This is the way to fix it. I really hope this video helped you out. Make sure you give me a like if it did. I want to see you in the next video.